Imagine putting on a blouse and suddenly looking more lifted, slimmer, and effortlessly elegant just because you avoided a few hidden mistakes. Most women over 50 never even notice. These small errors don't just age your outfit, they age you. But when you fix them, your entire look transforms instantly. Let's reveal the 7 blouse mistakes that quietly steal your confidence and how to stop them today. Mistake 1. Wearing blouses that are too baggy. One of the most common styling traps women over 50 fall into is choosing blouses that are simply too baggy. It often happens with the best intentions. You want comfort, coverage, and something that doesn't cling to areas you feel less confident about. But overly loose blouses rarely deliver the effect you hope for. Instead of creating softness, they create volume. Instead of offering ease, they blur your shape. And instead of making you feel effortlessly elegant, they often leave you feeling swallowed by the fabric. A blouse that's too baggy removes all the natural architecture of your body, the gentle slope of your shoulders, the natural curve at your waist, the balance between your top and bottom half. Without those visual lines, your silhouette can look wider, shorter, and less defined, even when that's not your shape at all. Mini tutorial: how to tell if a blouse is too baggy. Stand in front of a mirror and lightly pinch about an inch of fabric from each side seam. If pulling that fabric inward instantly gives you a shape you prefer, a little waist, a cleaner line, a more refined outline, the blouse is too big. Movement is good, excess is not. Body type guidance. Fuller midsection, choose soft A-line blouses that skim, not balloon. Narrow hips, look for gentle waist shaping or curved hems to create balance. Fuller bust, avoid wide, floating tops. They create unnecessary volume. When a blouse follows your body instead of drowning it, you create an elegant, intentional silhouette. The goal is not tightness, it's harmony. The right fit enhances your confidence, your posture, and the presence you bring into a room. Your shape deserves to be seen, not hidden. Another thing many women don't realize is that excess fabric doesn't just distort your silhouette, it also affects the way your posture is perceived. Baggy blouses tend to collapse forward, making the shoulders appear rounder and the upper body heavier. But when fabric sits closer to the body in a gentle, intentional way, it actually lifts your shape visually. You look taller, straighter, and more balanced. And keep in mind, you can still have comfort and shape. The goal isn't to sacrifice ease. It's to choose blouses that create fluid lines instead of hiding you behind unnecessary volume. Mistake 2. Wearing blouses that are too tight or too stiff. Tight or rigid blouses often cause just as many issues as overly loose ones. Many women choose snug tops hoping they'll create definition, but tightness rarely equals refinement. When fabric strains across the bust or shoulders, or stiff cotton stands away from the torso in sharp, boxy lines, the result is always harsh. Tight blouses magnify lines, emphasize tension, and draw the eye straight to areas you'd rather soften. Stiff fabrics interrupt the natural curves of your body and create rigidity where you want movement. Mini tutorial: the movement test. Lift your arms overhead, then reach forward. If the blouse pulls across the bust or restricts your arms, it's too tight or too rigid. Body type guidance. Fuller bust, choose draped fabrics like crepe, viscose, modal. Broad shoulders, avoid stiff shoulder seams. Choose soft rounding. Fuller upper arms, skip rigid cotton. Choose sleeves with fluidity. A great blouse should move with you, breathe with you, and feel effortless the moment it touches your skin. It's also helpful to remember that as we age, comfort becomes even more important. Not because we want to hide, but because uncomfortable clothing subtly affects how we carry ourselves. When a blouse feels tight or restrictive, you're more likely to adjust it constantly or hold your shoulders tensely. That tension shows. Soft, flexible fabrics allow you to move naturally, which instantly makes your outfit look more elegant. There's something incredibly youthful about ease. The way fabric flows as you walk, the way your posture relaxes, the way a blouse seems to belong to your body rather than fight against it. Mistake 3. Holding on to outdated collars and necklines. Necklines may appear subtle, but they shape your entire look and create a boxed-in effect that feels dated. Even if these styles once felt familiar or modest, they often no longer serve your best features. Modern necklines create openness, lift, and softness qualities that instantly refresh your appearance. Mini tutorial: the framing test. Place your hand below your collarbone where a gentle V or scoop would sit. Notice how that imaginary shape immediately opens your face and elongates your neck. Body type guidance: fuller bust, soft V necks and split necklines slim and elongate. Narrow shoulders, scoop necks widen gently. Shorter neck, avoid high collars, choose open shapes. Long neck, mandarin collars look refined and modern. The right neckline acts like a natural facelift, lifting your presence and illuminating your face. The neckline also influences how your jewelry lays, how your hair frames your face, and even how your skin tone appears. A closed neckline can trap shadows around the jaw and chest, while an open neckline reflects light upward, creating a gentle, flattering glow. A modern neckline doesn't need to be revealing to be elegant. A relaxed V, a soft scoop, or a simple collarless shape can transform a blouse from basic to polished instantly. These styles give you space to breathe, move, and accessorize, all while keeping your look current, feminine, and stylish. Mistake 4. Choosing prints that overwhelm your frame. Prints can be wonderful expressions of personality, but when they're too bold, too large, or too chaotic, they dominate the outfit instead of enhancing you. Large florals, loud geometric patterns, or contrasting colors often overpower your features. A print should support your presence, not steal the spotlight. Mini tutorial: the arm's length test. Hold the blouse out in front of you. If the print grabs your attention before anything else, it's too overpowering. Body type guidance: petite frame. Choose smaller, subtler patterns. Fuller bust or midsection. Avoid clustered patterns. Choose elongated or abstract designs. Broad shoulders, downward moving prints soften the upper body. Balanced prints bring out your natural beauty without overwhelming your frame. Another thing to consider is that prints communicate mood and energy. Loud prints can unintentionally add visual noise, making an outfit feel busy or chaotic. But softer, more refined patterns create harmony and sophistication. When you choose a print, think about how it interacts with your natural features, your skin tone, your hair color, and the scale of your face. Smaller, softer prints often highlight these features rather than compete with them. And if you love bold prints, try wearing them in one strong color rather than many. This keeps the look striking but still controlled and elegant. Mistake 5. Wearing blouses that are too long. Many women choose long tops for coverage, but excessively long blouses change your proportions dramatically. They shorten the legs, weigh down the hips, and create a rectangular silhouette that lacks shape. Length is critical to maintaining balance. Mini tutorial: the balance point test. Find your hip bone most flattering blouses end at or just below this point. If your blouse falls past your fingertips, it's likely too long. Body type guidance: long torso, shorter legs, choose shorter hemlines or add a tuck. Short torso, long legs, you can handle longer hems, choose curved ones. Fuller hips, soft A-line cuts glide over the area gracefully. If you love longer tops, pair them with slimmer trousers or use a French tuck to restore proportion and elongate your silhouette. The hemline of a blouse is one of the easiest details to adjust, yet one of the most powerful. Even a simple half tuck can visually lengthen your legs by several inches. Length impacts balance more than almost any other part of a blouse. When the hem ends at the right spot, the entire outfit gains structure and energy. And remember, proportion is more important than size. A blouse that fits perfectly but hangs too long will still distort your silhouette. Once you start noticing where your tops stop on your body, you'll see why certain outfits feel instantly more flattering. Mistake 6. Ignoring sleeve styles that shape the silhouette. Sleeves influence the entire upper body. The wrong sleeve can make arms appear wider, shoulders broader, or the whole outfit feel outdated. Tight sleeves highlight the upper arms. Puffy sleeves add volume. Straight, stiff sleeves remove softness. But the right sleeve transforms your shape with almost no effort. Mini tutorial, the sleeve end test. Check where the sleeve ends. If it sits at the fullest part of the arm, it exaggerates width. Ending just below the elbow creates a slim, graceful look. Body type guidance. Fuller upper arms, choose flutter, dolman, or draped sleeves. Broad shoulders, avoid strong seams or puff details. Choose downward drape. Narrow shoulders, subtle sleeve volume creates balance. When sleeves flatter your natural lines, your entire upper body looks more refined. Sleeves also influence how your arms look in motion. A sleeve that is too tight restricts flow and can draw attention to movement you might not want highlighted. Meanwhile, soft, gently draped sleeves create elegant movement at the wrist and forearm. Don't be afraid to experiment with rolling or pushing up sleeves. Even a structured blouse can look more youthful when the sleeves are adjusted, revealing a bit of arm. It adds lightness to the outfit and gives the impression of effortless confidence and ease. Mistake 7. Overlooking fabric quality and texture. Fabric determines how a blouse moves, settles, and feels. Low-quality materials cling, wrinkle, or reflect light, harshly highlighting what you'd rather soften. Stiff synthetics often add bulk, shiny surfaces emphasize texture on the skin. High-quality fabrics such as silk blends, crepe, modal, or viscose drape beautifully, feel luxurious, and create effortless elegance. Mini tutorial, the drape test. Hold the blouse from the shoulder and let the fabric fall. If it collapses stiffly, the quality is low. If it forms soft folds, it will flatter your body beautifully. Body type guidance. Fuller bust. Choose matte fabrics to avoid harsh shine. Curvier midsection. Select fabrics that skim modal, soft blends. Straight figures. Try fabrics with texture for gentle dimension. When you choose the right fabric, your entire outfit looks more polished and you feel more confident the moment you put it on. Good fabric doesn't just look better, it also lasts longer. High-quality materials keep their shape, resist pilling, and maintain their drape wash after wash. This means you'll reach for them more often, making your wardrobe more functional and enjoyable. Poor fabrics, on the other hand, tend to age quickly. They lose their color, cling in unwanted places, and often look worn within a few wears. Investing in better fabrics isn't about luxury. It's about choosing pieces that stay beautiful, feel comfortable, and elegant. So as you look at the blouses in your wardrobe and the ones you'll choose moving forward, remember this: small changes make the biggest difference. When the fit supports your shape, when the fabric moves with you, and when the details enhance your natural elegance, everything about your outfit begins to feel more intentional, more flattering, and more you. Style isn't about starting over. It's about becoming more aware of what truly honors your body and your confidence at this stage of life. Every blouse you adjust, replace, or choose with purpose brings you one step closer to a wardrobe that lifts you, supports you, and reflects the woman you are today. And if one of these mistakes felt familiar, that's not a failure. It's simply a sign that you're ready for the next level of your style. And that next level is absolutely within reach. Your elegance didn't disappear. Sometimes it just needs the right blouse to reveal it again. Tay every outfit effortlessly.